Hi everyone, I am Dhaval Ajana, PhD student from Florida State University, currently based at a Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory and working on neutrino physics experiment. I contribute in the novel detection technologies and the physics studies of the mysterious ghost particle called neutrinos. First of all, why do we call neutrinos a ghost particle? Because trillions of them are passing through us every second, but we cannot feel them, touch them, or test them. In scientific language, we just say that we cannot detect these particles. So that's why we call them a ghost particle. They are not really a ghost, no. But if this is really difficult to detect these particles, why do we care about it? Because these particles may carry the secret of this universe. They fly from the sun, exploding stars from all around the universe. And so, if we can detect those particles, we may unveil some of those mysteries of the universe. That's all. But if we are not able to detect them, how do we study this particle? So, for that, we emit these neutrinos on the non-particle and study all of the outgoing particles over here. And if we can sum up energy of all of the outgoing particles, we can study about the neutrinos as well. But is that is it that simple? No, because in the outgoing particles, one of them is neutrons that could go underway any of the detectors without getting detected. And if we cannot sum up the energy of these particles properly because of those neutrons, we cannot understand neutrinos properly. And that's where I come in the picture. I study these outgoing neutrons in one of the experiment called accelerator neutrino neutron interaction experiment at Fermilab. With their high capabilities of capturing these neutrons in the experiment, we can count all of the outgoing neutrons and consequently can give the better understanding of neutrinos over here. And we develop some of the photo detection technology for the same purpose that could be used in the cancer treatment in the future. And all of this work is sponsored by Fermilab, Florida State University, and URA, also known as Universities Research Association. Thank you.